In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new Sam's Club member card on iPhone. To get started, open the Sam's Club app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in to your Sam's Club account before moving forward. This is important because only the primary account holder has permission to add or remove card holders. So if you're logged into the wrong account, you may not see the right option. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Account. This will take you to your account settings and membership-related options. From there, select Manage Membership. This is the section where you can update membership details and manage who is connected to the account. Next, tap Add Complementary Card Holder. On some versions of the app, this may simply say Add Card Holder, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different. Both options are meant for adding another eligible member card to the account. Now enter the new member's required information. You'll be asked for details such as their name, email address, and any other information requested by the app. Take a moment here to make sure everything is entered correctly, especially the email address, since that can affect how the new cardholder accesses their membership later. After filling in the information, tap Save or Submit to finish adding the new cardholder. Once you do that, the new member should be linked to the membership account. Again, if this option doesn't work or doesn't appear, double check that you're signed in as the primary account holder. After the card holder has been added, the new card holder will need to set up access on their own device. Ask them to download the Sam's Club app on their iPhone. Then they should either create an online Sam's Club account or sign in to an existing one using their own membership details. Once signed in, they can open the app and access their digital membership card directly from there. If they want even quicker access, there's also an optional step. They can open their digital membership card in the Sam's Club app and tap Add to Apple Wallet if that option is available. This makes it easier to pull up the membership card right from the iPhone without having to open the app every time. And that's all it takes to add a new Sam's Club member card on iPhone. Follow these steps carefully. Make sure the account information is